Welcome. Join me as we journey into the world's most ancient forests, living cathedrals that have thrived for millennia. Let's step beneath their timeless canopies and discover the magic, mystery, and irreplaceable value of these natural wonders. Our journey begins on Yakushima, a mist-shrouded island off the southern coast of Japan, where the air is thick with mystery and the scent of ancient earth. This remote island, often veiled in fog, feels like a world apart, untouched by time, and alive with secrets waiting to be discovered. Here, the legendary Yakusugi cedars rise from the forest floor, their massive trunks twisted and gnarled by centuries of wind and rain. Some of these trees are over 2,000 years old, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of countless generations, their roots entwined with the very history of Japan itself. As you walk among these moss-draped giants, every step feels like a journey back in time. The forest floor is soft beneath your feet, blanketed in emerald moss, and the only sounds are the gentle rustle of leaves and the distant call of birds. Here you feel the weight of time and the profound peace of a world that has remained unchanged for millennia. The enchanting beauty of this forest inspired the magical landscapes of Princess Mononoke. Every twisted root and arching bough seems to pulse with life, as if ancient spirits still linger among the shadows and sunbeams, watching over the land they have guarded for centuries. Yakushima is more than just a forest. It is a living museum, a sanctuary where rare plants and unique creatures thrive in harmony. It is a place where the human soul can find solace, surrounded by the quiet strength and resilience of nature. In this primeval world, thriving in splendid isolation, we are offered a rare glimpse into the Earth's ancient past, a reminder of the beauty and wonder that endures when nature is left to flourish undisturbed. Next, we travel to Australia's Daintree Rainforest, the oldest tropical rainforest on Earth. Here, ancient ferns and towering trees create a vibrant living museum. The Daintree is home to unique wildlife, cassowaries, tree kangaroos, and dazzling butterflies. Every creature plays a vital role in this ancient web of life. This forest is a window into our planet's deep past and a symbol of nature's endurance. Exploring its depths, you feel awe at the power and resilience of life. In the misty forests of Northern California, the coast redwoods rise as the tallest living things on Earth. These ancient giants, some soaring over 350 feet, have watched centuries pass beneath their branches. Their immense trunks and towering canopies create a world unlike any other, where sunlight filters softly through the leaves and the air is thick with the scent of earth and moss. Entering a redwood grove is like stepping into a natural cathedral, cool, silent, and awe-inspiring. The sheer scale of these trees makes you feel both small and deeply connected to the natural world. Every step on the soft, needle-covered ground is a reminder of the centuries these forests have endured. These trees have stood for millennia, surviving fires and storms, their scale almost unimaginable. Their thick, rugged bark protects them from the elements, and the scars they bear tell stories of resilience and survival. Some redwoods have lived for over 2,000 years, witnessing the rise and fall of civilizations. The forest floor is lush and peaceful, home to diverse life from tiny birds to elk. Ferns and mosses blanket the ground, while shafts of sunlight illuminate the hidden world beneath the trees. Every layer of this ecosystem is teeming with life, each species playing its part in the redwood's enduring story. These groves are a legacy of conservation, a living treasure for humanity. Thanks to decades of protection, families and visitors from around the world can walk among these giants and experience their majesty firsthand, ensuring their survival for generations to come. The redwoods remind us of nature's monumental patience and power, standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time and the enduring beauty of our planet. Journey north to Canada's Great Bear Rainforest, a breathtaking, untamed wilderness stretching along the remote coast of British Columbia. Here, a mosaic of mist-shrouded islands and endless emerald forests creates one of the planet's last truly wild places, where the air is thick with the scent of rain and earth. These ancient trees, some standing for over 1,000 years, form a living cathedral of green. Their moss-draped branches shelter countless species, and their roots intertwine to support a vibrant, interconnected ecosystem. This is the realm of grizzlies, black bears, and the elusive white spirit bear, an animal so rare it's known as the ghost of the rainforest. These magnificent creatures roam the riverbanks and shadowy woods, their lives closely tied to the rhythms of the land. The annual salmon run is the heartbeat of this wilderness, as millions of salmon surge upstream, nourishing not only the bears but eagles, wolves, and even the towering trees themselves. The nutrients from the salmon feed the entire forest, creating a powerful cycle of life and renewal that has played out here for millennia, shaping the land and its inhabitants. Today, thanks to landmark conservation agreements, the Great Bear Rainforest stands as a beacon of hope for the future of our planet's wild places. Some landscapes are simply too wild, too beautiful, and too precious to ever lose. In New Zealand's Fjordland, rain-soaked forests cling to glacier-carved mountains. Moss-draped trees and fern-carpeted floors create a world of deep silence and green light. Water shapes everything. Cascading waterfalls, mist, and rivers nourish a unique ecosystem. Ancient beech trees and rare birds like the kea and kiwi thrive here. Fjordland is a living link to the lost world of Gondwana. It's a place of raw, untamed beauty and enchanting detail. On Madagascar, the Utsinanana rainforests are a treasure trove of unique life. Lemurs leap through the canopy, chameleons blend into the leaves, and rare plants abound. Isolated for millions of years, this forest is a laboratory of evolution, but it's critically endangered. Deforestation threatens its future. Protecting these forests means preserving a chapter of life's story found nowhere else. They are a living library of evolutionary history. In southern Chile, the Valdivian rainforests are dense, damp, and ancient. Towering alerce trees, some over 3,600 years old, stand as sentinels of deep time. Mosses and ferns blanket the forest, creating a soft, green world. Unique creatures like the codcod cat and Darwin's frog hide among the leaves. This forest is a remnant of Gondwana, a living laboratory of evolution. It's a fragile, precious world, rich with secrets yet to be discovered. In Norway's Feminis Mara, ancient pine forests and glacial lakes create a landscape of quiet beauty. Gnarled Scots pines and silver-gray kilo trees stand as monuments to survival. The forest is sparse but rich, rewarding those who seek its subtle wonders. Wolverines, bears, and reindeer roam these wild expanses. It's a sanctuary for both wildlife and the traditions of the Sami people. Feminis Mara is a glimpse into Europe's primeval wilderness. The Siberian Tiger is the world's largest forest, stretching across northern Russia. Endless conifers endure brutal winters and brief summers, forming a vast, mysterious wilderness. Tigers, wolves, and bears roam these ancient woods, where predator and prey still shape the land. The taiga is a massive carbon sink, one of the planet's lungs. Its fate is tied to our own, making its protection a global priority. This is true wilderness, vital to Earth's climate and life. In Romania's Carpathians, old-growth forests steeped in myth and legend still thrive. Beech, fir, and spruce create a rich, wild habitat, ablaze with color in autumn. These woods shelter Europe's largest populations of bears, wolves, and lynx. The forests are woven into Romania's culture and folklore, including the legends of Dracula. Beyond myth, they are vital ecosystems and a living link to Europe's wild past. They remind us of the enduring power of wilderness. On the Poland-Belarus border, Białowieża Forest is Europe's last primeval woodland. Ancient oaks and fallen logs create a rich, multi-layered ecosystem. It's the final refuge of the European bison, saved by remarkable conservation efforts. Białowieża is a living laboratory showing how forests thrive without human interference. It's a priceless fragment of Europe's wild heritage. In Yunnan, China, subtropical forests burst with biodiversity. Misty mountains and lush valleys are home to red pandas, snub-nosed monkeys, and countless rare plants. These forests are shaped by centuries of traditional knowledge and cultural diversity, but they face threats from development and climate change. Protecting Yunnan's forests means safeguarding a unique part of our planet's heritage. In Costa Rica, the Monteverde cloud forest lives in perpetual mist. Epiphytes, orchids, mosses, ferns cover every branch, creating a three-dimensional garden. Over 400 bird species, including the resplendent quetzal, thrive here. The forest teems with life, from tree frogs to jaguars. Monteverde is a testament to tropical biodiversity and the fragility of cloud forests. It's a world of constant discovery and wonder. The Congo Basin is Africa's green heart, a vast rainforest spanning 6 countries. Forest elephants, gorillas, and bonobos live in its depths, alongside thousands of plant species. The Congo River shapes a mosaic of habitats, from swamps to dry forests. This forest stores immense carbon and influences rainfall across Africa, but it faces threats from deforestation and poaching. Protecting the Congo Basin is vital for wildlife, people, and the global climate. In England, the New Forest is a landscape where ancient trees and human history intertwine. Pollarded beeches and oaks, centuries old, create a unique open woodland. Semi-wild ponies and cattle shape the land, maintaining its park-like character. Traditions like pannage and grazing continue, preserving biodiversity and heritage. The New Forest is a living, working landscape, proof that people and nature can coexist. It's a gentle, enchanting end to our journey. Our journey through the world's ancient forests ends here, but their story continues. These living cathedrals are vital to our planet's health and our own well-being. They face unprecedented threats, and it's our shared responsibility to protect them. Let's be the guardians future generations thank for preserving these irreplaceable wonders.